Let's make sun catchers with radial symmetrical design. Symmetrical design is created by placing the same images on both sides of a middle line. And radial symmetrical design is created by repeating images evenly going outward from the center. Today we are going to make radial symmetry by rotating patterns. We will need a white square, a pencil, an eraser, a ruler, scissors, clear plastic that is cut from a plastic container or a plastic sheet, and permanent markers. First, fold the white square into quarters. Sketch your design on one square. Draw lines in a circle that spreads out from the center point. The start and the end need to be the same length, so draw it with a ruler. You can make it with a geometric and organic shapes. This pattern will be repeated on each square to create a whole design. Unfold the paper and place it under the piece of clear plastic. Trace over the outlines with black permanent marker on the plastic. Rotate the pattern on the paper 90 degrees from the center point and trace over it on the plastic. Rotate the angle 2 more times to fill in the rest. Once you are happy with your whole design, add color with colored markers. You should paint the same color on each of the 4 patterns, right? Nice! I decorated the window with these sun catchers. These look like stained glass. When sun shines through the window, the sun catchers throw bright, colorful shadows on the wall and floor. It is so beautiful. Do you want to try it with me? It will be fun. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye!